Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, beautiful and trendy, most wearing, most demanding baby collection. Baby crochet poncho designs, different ideas, new and stylish patterns you can see in this my video. Please friends, don't skip, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. Your babies can wear when you go in the birthday party, wedding party, with matching cap designs, matching dress designs, matching dress colors. Beautiful and stylish colors, combinations, contrasts you can see in this my video. Stylish and trendy poncho designs for your sweet babies you can see in this my video. If you want to buy this very beautiful baby crochet poncho design, then I will tell you some websites named like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Highly running ideas, highly running patterns for your sweet babies you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about woman fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories you can see also. New and trendy designing ideas for your sweet babies. Gives your feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy baby crochet poncho designs? Stylish designs and new trendy ideas for your sweet babies you can see in this my video. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.